So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI agent that can basically schedule your appointments for you, right? So if you can learn one trick here, which is to create um, an event, right? Basically an appointment, then you can use the same skill set to delete the appointment, to modify the appointment, right? Basically update the appointment, as well as get the appointment. Okay, so I'm just going to show you one, and then you can figure out the rest. All right. So the first thing is we will need to trigger this. So for triggering this, we can use maybe a chat trigger. All right. So it's this. Okay. So we can just play this. Okay, and then we will need an AI agent, right? So the AI agent basically we need a couple of things. We need a brain, okay, and we need some form of memory, and then we need to equip this AI agent with the necessary tool to do its work. So let's come outside here. It's easier to see here. All right. So this is the agent. All right. So first we need to give it a brain. So the brain would be open AI. All right. And we will this is selected for us already. You can change it by clicking here. All right, and picking other models if you want. Okay, so there are no built-in tools. We can leave it like that. Now then, next thing is memory. So you can be smart but forgetful. So we don't want a forgetful bot. We want a bot that can remember things. Okay. All right, and then we need to give it a tool, right? And then the tool here would be calendar. So we're using Google Calendar. So important for you to set up your account. Okay, and pick the correct calendar. So the over here you can see that we've got 4 calendars. The one I'm looking for is the Born Over Food, right? So you can pick it here, and then we'll let AI decide. Just click over it, and the field that we want AI to enter is this one, right? So it's we'll let AI decide as well. Okay, and one more is maybe the description. Okay, again, we will let AI decide. Okay, so of course you can give it more instructions. So we will see how it goes. If it doesn't, go as well, then we'll come back and fill in the rest. Okay, but for now, this is good enough, right? So the thing is this: we need to trigger the message. Okay, so to let's test the chat. Okay, over here, right? So let's. I already prepare a message, right? So the message is this one, the first one. So the idea is that we want the digital assistant, right, to help us to book, okay, an appointment. So the message I've chosen, okay, if you can see here, is Michael Tan breakfast, Old Chunky, 25th of December, all right, Orchard Road, 9 a.m. Okay, so we will send this to the bot, okay, and the bot will not do anything. Okay. Okay. He will do something. Okay. So the thing is, I didn't expect the bot to do uh, uh, what it's supposed to do because I have not given it the system prompt. That means I've not told it to do what it's supposed to do for me. But the bot kind of figure out on its own, right? So you can see that indeed on the 25th, right? If I click on this, so this 24th, there's nothing. 25th, it says breakfast with Michael Tan. Okay, so but then it's the wrong timing. So why? Right? It's because we are running on New York time. So if um, if you take the time now and then you go do the conversion, right? It's actually uh, you know I mean sorry, I mean the the 25th December, if it's 9 a.m. in Singapore, then it will be 10 p.m. in New York. All right, so to address that, right, to rectify that, we can go to settings and we'll change this to, okay, Singapore. Okay, and then now let's try this. Okay, so let's run this again. Okay, let me see. Okay, great. All right, so okay, so let's try this again. Over here, right? Let's copy this thing here and paste it. Okay, so if we do refresh this, uh, what does it say? Okay, so we're gonna paste this again. We'll see what happens. Okay, so now it's running again, right? So it says executed. All right, so the uh, it seems that you have provided the same detail. Okay, this event has been scheduled already. So if I want to make another event, okay. So basically the things I didn't create one to check and one to delete. Okay, we'll leave it as that. Maybe what I'll do is I'll do the next one. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll put this inside here and say now go make an appointment. So this appointment is um, lunch 2 p.m. and on the 12th. Okay, so if I go to the 12th, 2 p.m. now, I have got an entry here. Okay, and let's say we do one more. So in this case will be 15 December. So where's 15 December? Here. So 7:30, 7:30 somewhere around here. Okay, so this is dinner with Jane, 15 December at 7:30. Okay, so we will now tell the bot that uh, we want it to set up an appointment for us. So you can see all these spinning things, right? It's basically the bot talking to itself, and now you can see that indeed the entry has been created.